Hello everybody, how you doing today? As you can see, I have several locomotives that I've purchased lately. I need to do some testing, cleaning, possibly do some repairing. So let's get started. This one I can already see has a little bit of damage right there, but I hear some rattling inside, so hopefully the piece I need to repair that is down inside there. See what we end up with. Windows. I think that's the piece I need right there. Alright. So, open it up, take the screw out and open it up, and we'll see what we got inside. Alright, we got it open, so let's see what we end up with here. Yeah, it's trying to run. Yeah, it's a runner. Sounds like it. This on there, right? Need to clean those contacts up better. That's not getting good contact, but it was running. Let's see if there's a better spot. Just go right to the wheels. There you go. It needs to be cleaned. Contacts all need to be cleaned up. But it runs. Awesome. Alright, let's do some cleaning and some repairing and see what we end up with. In case you guys want to see inside what it looks like, it's completely open. Looks pretty clean. I'll wipe it out a little bit, put a dab of grease, a little bit of oil, and it should be good to go. Alright, as you can see, it seems to be working pretty good. Connected a couple wires to it to help with cleaning of the wheels. This is just a fiberglass pencil. Don't have a holder for it. Alright everybody, as you can see, I rebuilt the cab. It was all busted up. Cleaned it, lubricated it, installed a coupler. I think we're ready to run it.